This is a 1/4 horsepower General Electric motor, and today we're going to tear it apart to see what's inside. A minimum amount of tools is required to do this job. You're going to need a standard screwdriver, a hammer, chisel, and a 1/4 inch drill bit with a screw gun. These here are standard screws, just one on each side. Flip it over on the end here, and we'll try to knock that bracket out of there. You have 4 bolts to take out on the end. Sometimes it's a 1/4 inch. Sometimes it's 5/16, depending on the electric motor. Now you're going to take a hammer and pound it out. Pull this other end off and pull the armature out. It'll come right out. Inside we have copper windings. This last electrical piece to take out takes a 1/4 inch. There's 3 bolts in there. Disconnect the wires that are attached to it. Now let's take a look at what we got, the components. Tearing a motor apart like this is a simple job and it's pretty easy for anyone to do. Whether you're tearing it apart for junk or to learn what's inside, it's a very easy task to accomplish.